Good afternoon, YouTuber Cooper fans. We're on a bit of a mission today. Well, this weekend. It's Friday the 13th of February today. And there's quite a few of us, about 20 of us, I think, heading up to Wales for a bit of a swim trip. We're going to go to the 4 waterfalls, hopefully get in a few of them. And we're also going to do some zip lining on Sunday. So the reason I've come on now before I've left the house, I've got a new sign, as you can see. I've not fixed it on the wall yet, but very, very pleased with it. Anyway, let's get our stuff together and get off to Wales. You probably won't see me now for a while. Next time we'll be online, hopefully I'll be in the Principality.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tracy. Happy birthday to you.
Are you ready for bed? No, she's been for a nap. You been happy with that?
Ladies and gentlemen, live from Wales.
Oh no, I'm going to fuck it up now.
Let's have a check whether Jossie got the bullseye.
Big Miller.
Oh, no way. Waterfall Country Apartments. Absolutely glorious morning. I'm videoing this in case anyone falls over. Just get 250 quid. Dino and Catherine are already behind there, look. Shit. Hi there, YouTuber Cooper fans. We're just leaving our digs now and we're going to Porth, CWM Porth. See you there. We found a parking space after a bit of a nightmare of a car park, one in, one out. So the swimmers are down there. Here's Joss.
You're not putting on YouTube.
You get bloody Coop.
only got that way anyway. I'm not a road.
And there you go, YouTubers, Mr. Cooper.
Officials. You have to pick the opposite lane.
No cold wouldn't see my arse.
Woohoo! Right, get dry now. This is not.
Joss is now very kindly offered to carry the bag.
For 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes.
2.
This is where we need to talk.
That's definitely Bon Jovi living on a prayer. Here we go, Elizabeth. Look at that. Joss has got some. Look at all this. It's all on the bar at the minute. This is Catherine's trifle, the size of a bowl. Right, start your engines.
It's trifle, I think.
No.
I've heard it's snowing outside. Oh, it is. We're going down the waterfall at midnight.
These are my giant
It's snowing. It's bloody freezing. The intrepid explorers. behind the waterfall in the dead of night. It's a blizzard.